what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Friday evening, when you hear the crickets them, so that means well, other than the crickets, you guys can see the sky behind me. So that simply means that it is basically almost night, because I don't know, winter season now, so night will come down quick. And yeah, that's what's up, that's what's popping. And we are going down the road. The dog gonna say hello to the vlog. Hi! Hi! Anyways, we're going down the road to buy some chicken, some jerk chicken. Grizzly, I think that him started the pork already? No? Think too quick? We went there last week. Is it a habit? No. But it's just happened that we are go like 2 weeks behind each other. So I mean, to eat a road, it's not supposed to be a habit because you're eating at the road. Yeah, so I was saying that, but I don't know if it's a habit, but no, I was saying that it's not a habit. It's not a habit, but second week behind in a row we are going. So if you're new to the channel, like up the video. What else, Grizzle? Like up the video. What else?
Subscribe, I don't know.
Subscribe, share, tell somebody to tell our next somebody about the channel. And that's what's up. I was just saying to Odin that in like about time I move fast enough since the COVID come in. I mean, time I move really fast. Some people are coming up mad for me, I think. Alright, so in about 2 years ago, them time here, instead of hustle go down the road, we will be literally hustling to go Ochi. Him said not him, but I know me. Me and my friend them would have also got Ochi, so we'll get one pizza or we'll go KFC or something. So yeah, Evelyn. So yeah, my TV wants to say hello. You want me? So me a pass that then. Alright. Alright, so yeah. So that's what's up. So now, because of COVID time now, you know the little down the road down there, so because you have to do things earlier these days, and me no, not interested in that. It's like sun a burn and me have to put my clothes on, me a sweat out, and no. So yeah, so I decided to give like a little evening vlog, night vlog. We go buy like a chicken down the road, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful view too. Alright guys, look at this view over there, and you guys know if it was in the daytime. I mean, you have to give credits to like view and like nice sceneries for Jamaica. Alright, them thumbs up for like sceneries also. I forgive them that. So Grizzle me and him I got somewhere, and me the over so Grizzle when they see him there. And me and him I got somewhere now. Me and you I got some, and me and you I got somewhere. Hello. And me and you I got somewhere. So it's how we now do one business. Eh? It's how we now do one business. Hello. Eh? Yeah, so I mean, a long time I know me walk down them big steps that you know. Guys, every vlog like October, now talk about my birthday come up and all the preparation that I am making. Currently me been thinking about, okay, I need to probably start look at workouts. People are coming, I almost feature me I go. Look at workouts, see lose at least like a 5 pounds. Everything we had to make a difference in our life, you know. So if I even that, Yeah. So that's what's up. Yeah. Okay. So what if you not hear me? When not hear me? Because the audio panel something else. It's just not working well, you know. It's just a machine. I wait for somebody inside to come out. I mean, this machine never works. If you guys know money, like this location, you know, it's like a 50-50 chance you come out here and the machine is working. Right, Grizzle? When I say right, Grizzle, you should be like talking, booming up, talking. Why are you not talking? Are you shy? Sorry, was it on purpose? So, yeah, but I'm showing like the place busy. Over here, so a restaurant did it, and this is some of the supermarket must call it one shop did it. And it's just where somewhere like you come and get your little stuff there if you run down like when you go ocean and all of that. So yeah, look on the line of bumps still there. You remember the last vlog when me that talk about me do my makeup and the line of bump? You see line of bump now? Look at her. One line of bump. And guys, I wanted to put on a wig in about you see me take off the last wig. You see my earline, you see them bump here? The whole of my earline bump off. And the bump them that ripe. So I say, you know what, I get like a few days break. Not this lady taking all out of the money out of the machine like she can't do. Like, she's still in there. Yeah. Anyways, I say like, you know, so I'm not get like a break. But tomorrow I think I'm going to put on or later. And yeah. We get like an extra light because the street light over there so turn on. So I do the most fun of getting on a little Friday evening vlog. I'm not gonna talk too much, so we're going to the machine soon, and then I think no one going to do a live. Are you interested in going live tonight? Ben?
Let me give a play. So I take my whole week of stress, and then maybe I'm going to release the stress. Maybe, I don't know. Later than night.
This is how he's reacting to you guys. This is how he's reacting to you guys. Like,
no, they react to my feelings and my voice and myself.
Mosquito bite me. What?
They react to my feelings and myself. Now react to people.
So tell people about YouTube why
no, they hear me tell them say maybe after me done play my game forward.
Like, comment down below if you have a boyfriend who plays FIFA, any of them game there. And him say when him done play the game and at the time that him go forward. Like, do you know that time? Comment down below if you know that time. Now it's like, what time is it? 2.
They're gonna
6. Oh, input on the watch wrong. Watch out.
So you have to come.
6:05. 5 past 6.
That's 2.
The machine work? And what? I have to ask the lady if the machine work because it seems like she don't want to take all of the money out. Like, them want people to feel safe and watch her. What is something for the stuff to cover? So whenever I come in here and make the in front of the machine yourself, I just like push up myself over in the machine, like make the body can't see my business or one. So yeah. But that's kosher though for you. Them just take your money and don't give you like 100% good awesome service. Like, they're one of the top banks in Jamaica, but in terms of like, you know, certain things, it's kosher. Like for instance, since COVID, sun hot, and people have to stand up in the sun and dry one line up all the way around the corner. Sun a burn you. Like, is somebody knocking? Sun a burn you, and I mean, kosher, them take service fee out of your money. Them just always in your bank account. So them need to get things where you feel good. Like within service and stuff. So yeah. Random vlog all over the place, but yeah. So we all got in a day supermarket / shop. Yeah, ask him one time, man. So I asked him what I'm going to look at.
Just in case, I don't buy chicken here, I want to buy some. Tell me that I have money to come on and
What's up? It just remind me of what me that said before. I said like, if you don't know if somebody will play a game. What? You want more? So why you never take more? What's up? So I had to stop the vlog just for us. So because the entire back of the machine and I did not realize that somebody just stopped to just walk in. Yeah, somebody break the whole point on me. I say, if you have a boyfriend to play a game, and them say when them done play the game, them are gonna come start back this something. Whatever them to do, start it back or to start something or anything. I don't know. I said that is like 7, 6, 5 hours after. Like, right? Not have a big experience because that's how they operate. Yeah. So we'll get whatever we forget now. Chicken also. Chicken is done over here. Across the road down there so. Not really video nobody still, you know. So jerky, chicken and
yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hello.
pick up on that. Yeah.
Ready. What are the family, man?
Like chicken.
So guys, we got through with the chicken, and in Jamaica then days you don't know, clear bag everything coming out. So if you now walk with a shopping bag, then this is what you get things in. So this market here, our audience is not a supermarket, it's a shop. So we're going in the shop / Lily supermarket. Alright? This is the one that tastes funny. Like this. Made by. Or this one. How much for this one? $3.10. $3.10. $3.30. I don't know if I'm going to $2.95. Which one to get? You want for $3.10? Alright, let's go. This one or $3.10? This one? I don't know. I'm not sure. That's not if I eat her this one. $2.95 because in Ocean by somebody that said here. Alright. We don't know. Cooking aisle. So $1.70 for Gatorade. But have you tried this one before? This one is mango. This is nice. This one we have tried this one before. Yeah, but Gatorade drinks good for your body, give you energy. That put us try to go the right way, even though it's beer. Okay? Well, let me touch in now. But I eat one ice cream still enough. Not like, but babe say now I got Erming to buy no crate. You bust him up? Let's say my ear mask, but you think I take it up and bust him up? I'm not lie, I'm touching there still. Alright guys, the dog, so I'm reach up because the dog and I hear me. I don't want light to go reach my face up there. So I'm touching raise man. I'm touching get there. Touching never said there, brother. Things are go up. You see me telling her? Me tell you things are go up, people. So what you do? You not me pass or you go? Alright. Got enough insurance upon you, but I still don't want to let me to die. Anyways, Mr. Chin, I get there. Last time I come on Mr. Chin, some things never so there, like yo, these things just let me keep on a top about. Alright, not touch that, not touch that. Anyways, good vibes, good energy this evening. So alright, he like a bus me tonight. He'll the step them, watch out. All of this to go plus 2 levels more up at top up there, so we approach. Alright. Well, God, if you're not busy, come give me a lift right over these steps because it's a bus me shot. People, let me reach you. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so go on with it's not that we did not carry any bag to shop. Well, we actually did not take any bag to shop, but it's not that because we never have no bag while we're getting a clear bag. It's just that Jamaica rules, so now them did say no bag, no plastic. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? Is this an envelope made out of paper? Same plastic. So them say no plastic scandal bag, but them did say no plastic. And instead of get them the black bag, everybody have to just know business say a chicken will go by. You understand? So instead of them putting the privacy or cut out the things where I put out the business out the road, them cut out the one where give privacy and make them wanna stay. I know have to save the environment and all of that, but why cut out one and left the other? Why cut out one and left the other? So baby want me to up now, mama film share. Same want it warm. You need a warm up man? Level of savage, okay? That's ordained for you. So guys, I know, good morning. You all can't see me because it's the weekend, so I can sleep in. The sun peeping out. You hear that in the background, babe? Watching news. Yeah, same one for know what going to Jamaica. So so yeah, that's what's up.